Hello everyone. Just like I promised, this is a question under synthetic division. The key things to note when you are solving using synthetic division and not the long division method is that the divisor, which is the x plus 2 in this question or any question you are given, before you can use synthetic division, ensure that your divisor is a linear divisor. It is linear. So x plus 2 is linear, and that is what will make synthetic division possible for this particular question. So once you have a quadratic divisor, then you cannot use synthetic division. You have to use the long division method. So first thing first, you identify your divisor, and in this question the divisor is x plus 2. You find the zero value of the divisor, that is, you equate the x plus 2 to 0. So after equating to 0, we realize that x is equals to minus 2. So this minus 2 is what we are going to be using for the synthetic division. Then the next step is to draw an L shape, after which you list out the coefficients of the dividend. And the dividend in the question is 3x squared plus 17x plus 25. So you list out the coefficient. You start from the coefficient of x raised to power 2, which is 3, then 7, then 25. And you always have to be careful of the signs. If you have negative sign, remember that the negative sign will also be brought down. After listing out the coefficients, then we start solving. The first value will automatically be brought down. That means the first answer will always be 3. Will definitely be 3 based on this particular question we are solving. Then you multiply 3 by minus 2. You multiply then add. Multiply then add. That is how this method works. So 3 multiplied by 2 by minus 2 gives us minus 6. 17 plus minus 6 will give us 11. 11 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 22. 25 plus minus 2 gives 3. Now it is time to interpret the answers. The last value is usually the remainder. For synthetic division, there's a way we write the remainder. You don't just write 3. So for example, if you are solving a question like 25 divided by 2, we know that the answer is 12 remainder 1. So, but if you are writing it, you write 12 whole number 1 over 2. The same way you write the remainder for synthetic division, 3 over x plus 2, which is the divisor. Then you move in. 11 follows, and in this case 11 is the constant, and then we have the 3x, which is the coefficient of x. Also, try to always keep in mind the highest power in the question, because once you are done solving, the power is going to reduce by 1. Or like the question where we have 3x squared plus 17x plus 25. You see that our answer is starting from 3x. The highest power in the result is 1, not 2.